Alright guys, so here is the first car that I got. Actually the first one was the CRV. I forgot to make a video, and this is the second one, Honda Accord, that I make a test video. As you can see, this is the E Extreme fully loaded option, and a little bit dirty, but I got it clean. Leather seat. This is runs and drive, and I showed you in the previous video. Now I'll go to the mechanic. I'm gonna drop this off. A little bit rust on this thing. I'm gonna drop this off to the mechanic, and he's gonna fix it, this one and the other CRV. So first he will fix this one, then I'll tell him to fix the other one, because I have to order the parts for CRV yet. So yeah, I'll see you guys at the shop, and I'll show you the other car, the CRV that I got. Okay guys, so let me show you the other car. I don't know how he parked there all the way in the back. So this is the one I bought, 2016 CRV. This is the one I won from a copart. So except this, everything else is perfectly fine with the car. So yeah, these are the two cars that I won from the auction. As you can see, pretty much in new shape from the front. So yeah, stay tuned. As soon as they get fixed, I will show you the car after that. So right now I need to order the parts, and have to wait for them maybe 1 week. So yeah, we'll let you know guys, and stay tuned. I'm most likely gonna get more car on this channel, and gonna start making these car videos. And this is just dropping it off here today. The grill is in the trunk, and yeah, this little bit rust spot maybe need to change, or maybe I should fix it. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next one.